Maui? Maui. Maui, demigod of the wind and sea, I am Moana of Moana. You will board my boat. No, you will board my boat. Yeah, I am Moana of Moana. You will board my boat. A boat! The gods have given me a man! Maui, shapeshifter, demigod of the wind and sea, I am Moana.
Hero of wind. What? It's actually Maui, shapeshifter, demigod of the wind and sea, hero of men. I interrupted from the top. Hero of men. Go.
I am
Sorry. And women. Men and women. Both. All. Not a guy, girl thing. Maui is the hero to all. You're doing great.
What? No, I'm here to...
Of course. Yes. Maui always has time for his fans. When you use a bird to write with, it's called tweeting. I know, not every day you get a chance to meet your hero.
You are not my hero, and I'm not here so you can sign my oar. I'm here because you stole the heart of Te and you will board my boat, sail across the sea, and put it back.
Yeah. It almost sounded like you don't like me, which is impossible because I got stuck here for 1,000 years trying to get the heart as a gift for the immortals so you can have the power to create life itself. Yeah, so what I believe you were trying to say is thank you.
Thank you?
You're welcome.
What? No. I didn't. I wasn't. Why would I ever say it?
I see what's happening here. You're face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. Well, it's nice to see that humans never change. Open your eyes, let's begin. Yes, it's really me, it's Maui, breathe it in. I know it's a lot, the head, the bod. When you're staring at a demigod, what can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demigod. Hey, what has 2 thumbs and pulled up the sky? When you were waddling yay high, this guy. When the nights got cold, who stole you fire from down below? You're looking at him, yo. Oh, also I lasso the sun. You're welcome to stretch your days and bring you fun. Also I harness the breeze. You're welcome to fill your sails and shake your trees. So what can I say except you're welcome? For the islands I pulled from the sea, there's no need to pray, it's okay, you're welcome. I guess it's just my way of being me. You're welcome. Welcome to think of it. Kid, honestly, I could go on and on. I can explain every natural phenomenon. The tide, the grass, the ground. All that was Mary just messing around. I killed your meal, I buried its guts. Sprouted a tree that you got coconuts. What's the lesson? What is the takeaway? Don't mess with Maui when he's on the breakaway. And the tapestry here in my skin is a map of the victories I win. Look where I've been, I make everything happen. Look at them, leaving me while we just looking at that. Well, anyway, let me say you're welcome for the wonderful world you know. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. Well, come to think of it, I gotta go. Hey, it's okay, I say you're welcome. Cause I'm gonna leave that boat. I'm sailing away, you're welcome. Cause now I can't do anything but float. And thank you.
Hey, let me out! You lying, slimy son of a...
You're welcome. You're welcome. to Tahiti with some kid. I'm gonna get my hook. You have yours, and I'm not Maui without mine. Okay, talk to the back. Boat snack. Good riddance, you filthy pile of pebbles! Oh, no. Don't look at me like that. It's a beautiful cave. She's gonna love it. And I'm going to love you. In the belly. Now let's back you up, drumstick. I could watch that all day. Okay, enjoy the island. Maui.
Oh, stop! Hey, you're the put back the heart! Come on,